Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. I need to showing my clothes. Instead of buy a new one, I need to fix it so that I can still use it. The money that I gonna use to buy a new clothes, I can put it in important, like for emergency fund. Instead of buying a new clothes, I need to fix, because I can still use this, just a little bit showing. After I showing this one, I can use it again, so that we can be able to save money for the emergency purposes. Anyway, I don't have emergency fund because I use all the money for emergency fund to pay for the things that I need to pay. That's why instead of buying a new clothes, I need to showing it. Anyway, I know how to showing. I know how to make a dress. When I was still in the Philippines, I'm studying 2 years in dressmaking. I know how to use sewing machine, automatic, manual, or portable machine. Sewing machine. I know how to do measurement to make a dress, and also to cut. But I never apply work in tailoring or in garment, because when I studied dressmaking, my eyes ruined. My eyes damaged because of sewing and making cross stitch. My eyes became in Tagalog malabo, became blurred because of showing, and it will damage your eyes also if you showing clothes or make a cross stitch. Before I love to do cross stitch. That's why I damage my eyes because of cross stitch. I cannot notice the time that it's already early morning. I'm still doing cross stitch. I have so many cross stitch I made before when I was still in the Philippines. But the problem is, I don't know where is that anymore, because I give that to my friend. Some I leave it in my sister's house, and it all damaged anyway. Because I won't be able to buy a frame for that, because I don't have money to buy the frame. But if you're selling the cross stitch with the frame, it's expensive also, because it's not easy to make. And also I make a big, a lady wearing a nice gown, carrying the basket full of flowers. I leave that to my sister's house, but it's already damaged because that's very long time ago, and the rain is always gonna be wet, the cross stitch, because the frame is already damaged also. That's my remembrance. How many years I make that cross stitch. I think 2 years. I made that cross stitch for 2 years, and I buy the cheaper print only. Put it in the print. When I studied dressmaking, I was able to make a gown, a simple gown for our project. If I continue studying dressmaking, I'm gonna be an fashion designer this time. But I stopped I stopped studying because it's hard to while working student, self-supporting student. It's hard. You have so many work and then you study. I'm always getting sick because of over fatigue, overwork. I'm always sick, and even if I drink medicine, my sickness cannot getting better because I need rest. My body is became very tired. Anyway, guys, that's all. That's what I want to share with you. I know how to make a simple clothes for girl. Even the pants for a girl, I know how to make it. The measuring, the cutting, make pattern, make the pattern before cut the linen. But it's not easy because it will damage your eyes in your the number one damage when you're working as a shower is the eyes. It's not good for the eyes, and also your neck because you're always doing like this. And the cutting, the himul the cloth, it will goes to your lungs because you're gonna smell it, or you're gonna not good for the lungs. You inhale all the dust from the linen. Not good for the lungs. Anyway, guys, that's all for now. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, suggestion, and of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. Happy Wednesday, everyone.